Hi, my name is Lauren Franklin. It is February 10th, 2022, and this is my list of joint structures, just so I remember. Today I've dissected a chicken wing, and I've dissected it so we could see the bones that form the elbow joint. Now, the elbow joint is a type of synovial joint, and it's a hinge joint biaxial. Bones that make up it is the humerus, the radius, the humerus, this is the ulna, and this is the radius on top. Now, I've dissected the joint structure so we can see this a little better. But this white membrane that surrounds all the way around is a joint capsule. Now, if you open it up, which I have done just so we could see a bit better, this yellow fibrous material, or this yellow pad right here, is the fat pad. It's normal, it helps lubricate the bone. Now, this white film right where the bone's articulating surface are, that is the articular cartilage. Excuse me, I lost the name. But right where the bones articulate is articulating cartilage. This white membrane right there. Yes. Okay. So that surrounds all articulating surfaces of the bone. And then the synovial membrane is right beneath this fat pad. So if you see this yellow fat pad, and if I've split it correctly, so there's this membrane right there. That is your synovial membrane. And beneath the synovial membrane is all the synovial fluid that surrounds this inside capsule and keeps the bones lubricated so it could move back and forth like it should, not cause too much friction. And yes, like I said, articular capsule is all this right through here. Now, a common disease that affects synovial joints specifically is rheumatoid arthritis. So, rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic swelling that particularly affects synovial membranes by affecting synovial cells and synovial joints. So, what happens is that you might have an excess buildup of synovial fluid inside the joint. You might have excess buildup of synovial cells due to this inflammation. And this can cause this joint to swell painfully and restrict normal movements of the joint. So if this chicken had rheumatoid arthritis, these kind of movements normally would be painful, and this area through here would be swollen. Anyways, that is all I have time for here today. But again, my name is Lauren Franklin. It's February 10th, 2022. Thank you. That is everything.